Hello guys, welcome to a Lucky Hooky video. Today we're going to be playing some MLB The Show. Today we're going to be rebuilding a garbage team. Because they're probably garbage, you know. So we're going to use current rosters. And who are we going to rebuild? Because I think we should rebuild the San Francisco Giants. Because they're not really that good. The Orioles, they're good this year. Red Sox, they're okay this year. The Yankees, just complete failure this year. I mean, let's hope they stay bad, right? Sounds good to me. The White Sox. We have to rebuild the White Sox. GM contracts. We'll go on. Fantasy draft, no. Non-active, no. CPU roster control. Off. CPU trading. Off. Ignore budgets. Off. Because we want this to be realistic. I would definitely turn that on if it wasn't going to be realistic, but it's going to be realistic, so no. Designated hitter. Yeah, we'll do that, and we'll do that. Let's go auto manage, auto manage, auto manage, because I don't feel like doing any of that. But I'll manage it if I want to. We'll start the regular season. Let's go make some trades. Trade talks. Okay. Luis Robert is our only really good player. We have Trace Thompson. I might trade Trace Thompson for somebody, like Adley Rutschman. Really, his contract's not huge with the Orioles. I don't know why, but it's not. He's a really good player. Now, let's see here. We could trade for Randy, Vladdy. Let's go. How about... who could we trade for that's good, but not too expensive? Jacob deGrom, Marcus Semien. He's 32. I mean, he's not that old, but I mean, he's old enough to where the game will destroy his career. Oh man, they really love Spencer Strider. Austin Riley. Let's go Trace Thompson for Austin Riley. They're not going to accept that, so we'll trade Corey Lee. No, Billy Hamilton and Corey Lee. We have Austin Riley now. Third base, 7th. Let's review our sponsorships real quick. Okay. Austin Riley, welcome to Chicago. Let's start the season off and see how we do. We're not doing that good. I will just say that. I mean, can you please win a game sometime soon? They swept the Twins, and then just garbage. Let's see how we're gonna do. Any good at all? Any good? I'll see you back at the end of the year. We're back at the end of the season, and we were garbage. So we're gonna sim the postseason, and hopefully we can do good next year, because this year was absolute garbage. The Dodgers won the World Series. Everybody's shocked about that. Zach Miller retired. No, I think that's a big deal because he probably wasn't that much help anyways. Who are we going to re-sign here? Yo, is Monty Grandal's 66? No, we're not re-signing you. You're just gone. You know, you have potential to be good. So we'll sign you for 5 years. Stephen Piscotty, how old are you? No, he's not. No, we're not re-signing you either. Elvis Andrews, no. Okay, we gotta hire a new hitting coach. Goodness gracious. We want some power. Let's see who our hitting coach could be. We got a lot of options, even Alfred. This could really make a difference. It just depends on who we have and if they're any good. I'd love to get somebody I've heard of, like Skip Shoemaker. But no, he's managing the Marlins, so he's not that great. So, this guy's got pretty good hitting. I think we'll have to just go with somebody. Like, with power, we'll go with Ed Owens. 3 years. He's kind of interested. Pitching coach. Just hire somebody. This guy looks good enough. He's 54-year-old. Let's send a free agency 1. Okay, free agency is looking great. Who do we sign here? Lucas Giolito. Bring him back to Chicago. That's way too much for Lucas. Yes, get him. Oh, and Cody Bellinger. We'll have to get Cody because he's been on fire. He's 28. So, Reese Hoskins. Who's our first base? I don't know. He looks good to me. We have to get Julio Urias too. That's way too much. Shohei, we can't get Shohei because they just don't have enough money to get Shohei. Wouldn't be that good. 7 years. Oh gosh, he must hate Philadelphia or something. Aroldis Chapman. He's 36. He's going down. Probably not gonna get him. Could, but I just don't think he is that good. Now Phil Maton. Definitely gonna get Phil. Craig Kimbrell. 12 years MLB service. How old are you? 35? No. Will Smith. Josh Hader. 8 years. We need a catcher. Mitch Garver. Looks good to me. He's 33, but 5 years. Probably retire after the contract's up, but you know. Like you got Joey Votto over here. I mean, he's sticking to 40. I have no idea. You can't leave under contract, right? He'll be 55 when his contract's up. It's just fun to do stuff like this. Like, he'll be 55. Max Muncy? He's pretty good. I mean, his power's a little overrated if you ask me, but I really don't think he's bad. I'll catch you at the beginning of next season. Okay, here we are back. We're 7th in rank, 7th in contact, 2nd in power, 10th in pitching, 30th in defense, and 30th in speed. Just ignore those last two, okay? Let's go to awards and see if we got anything last year. Liam Hendricks almost got reliever of the year. No rewards. It's about not that shocking. But we'll simulate this season and see how it ends up. I'll catch you at the end of next. Here we are back, and we're taking on the Twins in the division series. We somehow made it to the postseason. We lost that one. And we lost that one. And we just got beat out. So, and who's winning the World Series? The Dodgers defeated the Rays. Coincidence? I think not. Joey Votto retired. Well, you're still under contract. Guess we'll pay you now. Cunha, damaged knee cartilage. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Tim Anderson's a 76? Gosh, William Hendricks. Oh, he's going down, too. We're not signing you. I just want to say, like, why is he so bad on here? I'll just sign you. We're firing. I'm firing the manager. Like, who are these people? That was Kevin Cash. It's William Cash. I don't know who that is. Who are these people? Craig Counsell. I've heard of him. Anybody with World Series experience? Because we need some World Series experience if we could get it. Let's just hire this dude. He's got one postseason experience. Okay. Just in the off season. Okay, free agency, Juan Soto. I swear the guy's a glitch on this game. Max Fried. Well, Pete Alonso, we need to make him an offer. Mike Soroka. He's good. Marcus Stroman, we need some real pitching. We need it bad. This team is so bad. How did we not make it pass? No, we didn't get Juan Soto. He's signed with the Pirates of all teams. Like, why are you signing in Pittsburgh? Okay. I'll let y'all watch this whole season play out. Because we are already garbage. Oh, yes, we swept the Twins. Let's go. Oh, yes, big month of April right here. I lost 11. Oh, yes, we got the Twins again. The Reds. Yes, we swept the Reds. The Guardians, we got swept. Oh, we didn't get swept. Oh, we didn't get swept by the Phillies, thank goodness. We got swept by the Guardians again. What is our division coming to? The Giants got swept by them. Got beat by the Astros. No, I wouldn't like to participate in the home run derby. I'll catch you back at the postseason. So we made the postseason, and we won against the Mariners in the wild card, and we're playing the Twins of all teams. I'm gonna play lock. Pitching Michael Lorenzen, so I'll play lock as guess I'll put player lock as Austin Riley. I mean, Pete Alonso. Could have player locked as Cody Bellinger because he's a lefty and he's struggled. Why are we getting beat by the Twins every single year? I don't understand some things. It's like playing the Twins. How are we getting beat by that team? Like, they're not even that good. Okay, here we go. Pete Alonso. I'll pitch the ball to and sees. Okay, we got it. Come on, Peter. By the way, I'm a directional guy. I don't like the PCI. It distracts me too much. I'm just trying to get the PCI in the right spot and I don't focus on hitting the ball. Oh, man. Hernandez. Teoscar. Come on, Jorge Blanco. Just get us out of this inning. Please be garbage. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. I'm so stupid. So stupid. I didn't realize there was 2 outs, so now I'm getting crushed by the stinking Twins. Pete Alonso, second round pick in the 2016 draft. Yeah, I get it. Come on, Michael Lorenzen, hang something for us. That would be really nice. Really nice. Yeah, swing it, absolute garbage. Why can't we just substitutions? We're not going to be player locked as him. We're going to play locked as Cody Bellinger. Perfection. Let's go, Cody Bellinger. Oh no! That's bad. Here we are getting crushed in the playoffs. Playoffs, Cody Bellinger. This team, we're not stopping till we win a World Series. Oh my goodness, Cody Bellinger. Okay, we just lost. And boom. Yeah. Michael Lorenzen got play of the game. How'd you get play of the game? Not even that good on this game. Some things you just don't understand. So unfortunate. Season over. We got the Twins. The Dodgers defeated the Rays in the World Series. What is this? Oh, the GM contract. Signed for new team. You know what? I'm not signing with the Braves. We're winning the World Series with the Braves. Josh Lowe, injured. Who we have already signed here? Orlando, going down in overall. Yeah, just kind of. I'll say Iglesias. Yikes. Oh, we needed AJ Hinch. Dave Roberts. Hey, Dave Roberts. Love that. Offer. Third base coach. AJ Hinch, I guess. Okay. I'll get y'all back at the end of next season. So now we're in the middle of the season. We're playing the old team, the White Sox. And we beat them in the series. Good enough. The Braves are struggling. Not real life, though, thankfully. Best team in baseball, I know. Hopefully it stays that way. Oh, we swept the Phillies. Nope, we didn't sweep the Mets, but we won the series. Then we swept the Mets. Our Double-A team won 27 games for some reason. First round of the postseason. Yes. Okay, Oh gosh, no. I'm gonna have to go and play a log to somebody. Who do I play a log as? Matt Olson. Let's go. Kyle Wright, please pitch your best. If you don't, then we lose. And we don't want to lose because we want to win the World Series. We have to win the World Series this time. If we don't, I'll be very upset. We'll have one more year to do it. If we don't, I just made that up, but it's really true. Oh my goodness, Victor Robles. Stop bunting. That was the worst bunt of all time. Let's go, Matt Olson. Ooh, we're leading. Let's go. So that we don't turn out like the White Sox and the Twins. And Matt Olson's on base. Let's go. Come on, Sean Murphy. We need you right here. We be stealing bases. Okay. Try to steal a base with Matt Olson. That didn't work. He's not fast enough. 34 speed. Hey, stop trying to hit us, Joe Musgrove. Oh, gosh. Hit my foot on my chair. Come on. Come on. Oh, my goodness. 3-0. Let's go, Matt Olson. If it's 3-0, you know what's coming. A double play. It's coming. Oh my gosh. Let's go, Matt Olson. I got it. Infield fly. Let's go, Manny Machado. Thank you for that. Oh, yes, we're up 5-0. I feel like we got a comfortable lead in this. Oh, goodness, that was horrible. Went through a stretch where I was really good at fielding, 2018 and 2019. Oh, my goodness. I should have waited on that. My goodness. Okay, here we go. Let's go that also. That one too. Why did it show the ball boy? Oh, I swung at that. Hit it. I don't know how I did that. I was thinking Little Leaguer on that. Oh my goodness. How am I hitting this? I swear I'm not good at this game, so please don't. Perfect. Line out. That's usual. Let's go Xander Bogaerts. Make it easy on us. Kyle Wright, just pitch the ball, man. You're taking 5 hours. Taking long enough. Alright, double play. Okay, Ozzy. Oh my goodness. Have to get it right here. Come on, let's go. Double play right here. It's not a double play. Got it. Let's go. Yes, we won. Okay. We have to win the next game. If we don't win the next game, I'll be really upset. Oops. I'll see y'all back in a minute. Okay, here we are. Player locked as Acuna. Who's John Guy? Some of the funniest names on this game. Probably like fake people too. They're made up. Oh, Fernando. He's gonna make us work. I know it. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh. Oh no. He's fast. Michael Harris, get. Whoops. Big mistake right there. Oh, they didn't give up a run though. Mike Soroka made it out of that. Okay, let's go Anderson. I was like, go. No. Alright. This is going out. If you throw me that pitch again. Oh goodness, I couldn't beat it out, beat it out, beat it out. I have to hit a home run before the video's over, right? Why not just play on the warning track? Oh, yes. Goal. Let's go. Let's go, Acuna. Home run right here. Absolute swamp donkey. Let's go. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Not swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Going to. I don't know what. Okay. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Oh my gosh, that's not a swamp donkey. Come on. Okay. We're up 1-0. I have to contribute to this game somehow. We can't go over with Acuna. It just feels wrong, man. Our fielding, our glove continues to shine as one of the best fielders in the world. Definitely. Oh, here we are in the bottom of the 8th, and we're facing Jordan Hicks. Made it on the Padres somehow. I don't know how, but he did. My goodness. Come on, Acuna. Acuna Matata. Okay, that's a ball. Let's go, Jordan Hicks. Hang me one. Get a swamp donkey over Hank Aaron Terrace. Please. Okay, that's the farthest ball we've hit. Oh my gosh. Gosh, chug Acuna. On your horse. Buddy. He's out. Oh my gosh. We won. Let's go. Win the division series. We're facing. We have to face the Dodgers, right? The Dodgers are not making the World Series this time. I swear, if I see them in the World Series one more time, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be really upset. By the way, a little advice. When you're overwhelmed, Jesus looked at them and said, "With man this is impossible, with God all things are possible." That is Matthew 19:26. It's a good motto. Very clever. Because it's true. Oh my gosh, we live in a... We're back here. The Dodgers lead the series 2-1, but that's going to change. It's going to be tied 2-2. Ozzy, we're not making any errors today like he did last year. I think that was last year. Actually, in the wild card this year. There's Mookie Betts. Let's go down just because. Oh, you gotta cover. Cover. Nice play, Von Gerson. Okay, here's Albies. It's still the first, and we're up. Who's on first? Oh my gosh. Go. Yes! Gone! A ball! From all the Albies. And the Braves take a 3-0 lead. No, 2-0 lead, my bad. Thought we already had a run. Oh, let's go. I got it. There we go. Okay, that home run was kind of luck. You just have to get a good pitch to hit. Oh my gosh. Was a hanging slider good? Let's go, Ozzy. Still 2-0, so we're in pretty good shape. Oh my gosh. That was good. Well, here we are, Gavin Lux. Please just hit a ground ball. We'll get it to second and then get it to first. Oh no. We just had to throw it to first. It would have been so safe at second. We're on third and second, I think. Oh, we're losing 5-2? No. Oh. Okay. Ozzy. Let's go. I hit goods and then went straight up in the air, and then I hit just light and it went over the fence. Like, what's wrong with this game sometimes? Hey, at least it went over the fence. I got lucky right there. Go. Oh my gosh, Ozzy Albies. Yes! Let's go! Oh goodness. We have to tie the game. I wish I could trade out what I did earlier. Well, it probably would. Well, I don't know. Obviously, would do what I did earlier. I still can, but I mean. Okay. Come on, Ozzy. And we got some wheels on first. It's Acuna. It's a 76 speed. Sometimes I feel like his speed is so underrated on here. And his power. He's only got like 80 something power. Okay. We have to get that good pitch to hit. Just that little hanging curveball straight down the middle. Please. No. Oh. Bye, guys. Please subscribe and like.